Joseph, who is that woman? Joseph, who is that woman? That's Susan. That's Susan. What does she do for work? What does she do for work? She's a lawyer. She's a lawyer. Is she American? Is she American? No, but she speaks English fluently. No, but she speaks English fluently. She's really tall. Do you know her? She's really tall. Do you know her? Yes, I know her. We're friends. Yes, I know her. We're friends. Who's that man standing next to her? Who's that man standing next to her? Which man? Which man? That short guy on her right. What's his name? That short guy on her right. What's his name? Oh, that's Matt. Oh, that's Matt. He's really good looking. He's really good looking.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know him? Do you know him? I don't know him, but I think my sister does. I don't know him, but I think my sister does. Is he married? Is he married? Yes, he's married. Yes, he's married. I remember now. I met him before. I remember now. I met him before. Brian, do you know how to speak English? Brian, do you know how to speak English? Yes. Yes. Where did you learn? Where did you learn? I learned in college. I learned in college. You speak really well. You speak really well. Thank you. Thank you. How long have you been in the U.S.? How long have you been in the U.S.? 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Is your wife with you? Is your wife with you? Yes, she just got here yesterday. Yes, she just got here yesterday. Have you been to California before? Have you been to California before? No. I've never been there. No. I've never been there. Have you ever been to Las Vegas? Have you ever been to Las Vegas? Yes. I went there once on a business trip. Yes. I went there once on a business trip. Charles, do you have any children? Charles, do you have any children? Yes. Yes. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? I have 2 kids. A boy and a girl. I have 2 kids. A boy and a girl. What are their names? What are their names? Jack and Stephanie. Jack and Stephanie. How old are they? How old are they? Stephanie is 18 and Jack is 24. Stephanie is 18 and Jack is 24. Are they in school? Are they in school? Stephanie is. She goes to college in Washington and Jack works in Florida. Stephanie is. She goes to college in Washington and Jack works in Florida. What does Stephanie study? What does Stephanie study? She studies English. She studies English. Is she here now? Is she here now? No, she's at school. No, she's at school. Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? Not good. I lost my wallet. Not good. I lost my wallet. Oh, that's too bad. Was it stolen? Oh, that's too bad. Was it stolen? No, I think it came out of my pocket when I was in the taxi. No, I think it came out of my pocket when I was in the taxi. Is there anything I can do? Is there anything I can do? Can I borrow some money? Can I borrow some money? Sure, how much do you need? Sure, how much do you need? About $50. About $50. That's no problem. That's no problem. Thanks. I'll pay you back on Friday. Thanks. I'll pay you back on Friday. That'll be fine. Here you are. That'll be fine. Here you are. What are you going to do now? What are you going to do now? I'm going to buy some books and then I'm going to the gas station. I'm going to buy some books and then I'm going to the gas station. If you wait a minute, I can go with you. If you wait a minute, I can go with you. Okay. I'll wait for you. Okay. I'll wait for you. Jeff, I'm going to the supermarket. Do you want to come with me? Jeff, I'm going to the supermarket. Do you want to come with me? I think the supermarket is closed now. I think the supermarket is closed now. Oh, when does it close? Oh, when does it close? It closes at 7 o'clock on Sundays. It closes at 7 o'clock on Sundays. That's too bad. That's too bad. Don't worry, we can go tomorrow morning. It opens at 8 o'clock. Don't worry, we can go tomorrow morning. It opens at 8 o'clock. All right. What do you want to do now? All right. What do you want to do now? Let's take a walk for a half an hour. My sister will get here at about 8:30 p.m. and then we can. Let's take a walk for a half an hour. My sister will get here at about 8:30 p.m. and then we can. I'll go out to dinner. I'll go out to dinner. Where does she live? Where does she live? She lives in San Francisco. She lives in San Francisco. How long has she lived there? How long has she lived there? I think she's lived there for about 10 years. I think she's lived there for about 10 years. That's a long time. Where did she live before that? That's a long time. Where did she live before that? San Diego. San Diego. William, do you like studying English? William, do you like studying English? I like studying English, and I can read well, but speaking can be difficult. I like studying English, and I can read well, but speaking can be difficult. It's not that bad. If you talk to your American friends every day, you'll learn quickly. It's not that bad. If you talk to your American friends every day, you'll learn quickly. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? Sure, what do you want to know? Sure, what do you want to know? I have my book from class here. How do you say this word? I have my book from class here. How do you say this word? Laptop. Laptop. Sorry, I don't understand. What does that mean? Sorry, I don't understand. What does that mean? A laptop is a type of computer that you can carry with you. Do you understand? A laptop is a type of computer that you can carry with you. Do you understand? Yes, I think so. Can you say it again? Yes, I think so. Can you say it again? Laptop. 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 Did I pronounce that correctly? Laptop. Did I pronounce that correctly? Yes, that's right. That's very good. Yes, that's right. That's very good. Thanks. And this word? How do you pronounce this? Thanks. And this word? How do you pronounce this? That word is pronounced kitchen. That word is pronounced kitchen. Thanks so much. You're a good teacher. Thanks so much. You're a good teacher. Hello? Hello? Hi, is James there please? Hi, is James there please? Yes. Who's calling? Yes. Who's calling? Linda. Linda. One moment please. One moment please. Okay. Okay. Hello? Hello? Hi, James, it's Linda. Hi, James, it's Linda. Hi, Linda. Hi, Linda. What are you doing now? What are you doing now? I'm working. I'm working. Are you busy? Are you busy? Yes. It's been really busy here all day. Yes. It's been really busy here all day. What time do you get off work? What time do you get off work? 8:30 p.m. 8:30 p.m. I'll call you back after 8:30 p.m. I'll call you back after 8:30 p.m. Okay. Talk to you later. Okay. Talk to you later.
Bye. Bye.